Wow.
Kids, we're done! Slideshow!
So anyway, the other day, these pigs showed up out of nowhere. It caused me a great deal of suspicion. And he's walking out of the room. Unbelievable. I don't get this. This guy sits here on his butt all alone, clearly doesn't leave the house. He talks a good game, but he doesn't care about anyone but himself.
Sounds a lot like you.
Oh, good. Thank you for your opinion, Chuck. Well, hello.
Hello.
Money! Oh, Mr. Ching.
What are you doing?
I'm bird watching.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Oh, you're
This is a
just...
Shusky.
Oh, yeah. Look, are you gonna help us or not?
What? So we're talking
This
to
is you
this.
helping. Look into binoculars, spying on old ladies. Whoa, what is that? Wait.
Oh, man!
Oh my gosh. I was right. I knew it. Bob, Chuck, hurry up. Get here. Uh-oh.
I forgot not using
there now. No.
the world side.
Mostly just tired. Go handle it yourself. This is everything I prepared you for.
What? Prepared us for? Hold on, did I miss something? Let me just go through my notes really quick. Let's see. Crazy stuff, bragging, crazy stuff, karaoke. No, see, I don't see anything useful here. The whole world, everyone we know is in danger.
Yes! Yes, it is!
So often.
Hey, you know what? I used to believe in you. When I was a kid, I believed nothing really bad could ever happen.
Get out of here before I eat your food.
What's going on?
Shower after this, Kobe.
A music guy.
Coming from my house. Mom, what's wrong? I lost my wedding ring. Hey, Mom, what have you been doing since you last saw me? Nothing. Hey, that sounds like it's coming from my house. Mom, what's wrong? I lost my wedding ring. Okay, Mom, what have you been doing since you last saw me? Nothing.
When did it start?
I'm so grateful.
I can't break it. Bob, blow up the chain.
Knock him down.
Come on, Bob, you can't do this.
Come on, Bob.
No more rock! Not
Get me mad.
until tomorrow!
Try
Stop insulting me on a personal level. What's wrong with you? And you know it. I know. Hey, who wants a party back? I'm sorry, Red. I couldn't do it. Don't give up. This isn't over. For your hospitality. Set sail for Piggy Island.
We don't do.
Mahalo. Time check brought to you by AC Warehouse.
I hate it.
Previously on Swamp. How much do you actually know about Tahoe?
Not a ton. She plays it pretty close.
You remember what it was like to be the problem child on 21?
I heard she has some problems, but from what I've seen today, she's doing great. Bonnie and I are over.
I'm sorry.
You know, just get the hell out.
Luca! Come on, man, move your ass. We're getting late.
Yeah, someone has spent 5 hours in the bathroom every morning fixing their hair. Who's texting you this, Chris? She's in an apartment for rent. She's moving out of the safe house. Yeah, now she's
Out of his kids.
volunteers helping out. She's there to start Actually, she's signing the lease today. Cool. And I'm gonna co-sign. You're moving in? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not that I don't love living here. You're the best roommate I've ever had. Even though you drink all my protein shakes. But just think, now that you won't have to line up for the bathroom, you don't have to wear earplugs. What? Why are you wearing earplugs? Well, thing, dude, look. It's totally cool. I knew this day would come.
I drink.
I already started thinking about what I'm going to use your room for. You're not going to rent it out. You're going to turn it into a man cave. Gonna have a poker table, bar in the corner. I saw this awesome game on eBay. Look up, take a look around. Any more man cave? The Natural History Museum is going to be calling asking if there are Neanderthals.
See, but awesome.
Any better ideas?
Lots of natural light. Great location.
No way. Yeah, it's too nice.
Snapped up.
Great.
Are you looking to move somewhere with better schools? I see a lot of young couples.
Wait till you search Moo.
Pasadena or the Valley.
Not exactly.
Well, here's my card. Call me and we'll get the ball rolling. I can have it listed within a day. I guess we're really doing this. Remember when we moved in, the bedroom walls were painted bright red? You said it was like sleeping in the middle of a crime scene. And there's that hook in the ceiling. I could never figure out what the previous owners used it for.
Probably for the best.
We don't have to sell it.
I can't afford to buy you out.
What do you think?
Man, it's a snot staircase! Who thinks of that? Welcome home, kid! My father, and my father's father, and my weird ex Louie have all six early eggs, but only I, King Mudbeard have found me. I present to you
Much the eggs!
Oh man! Say goodbye to Harvey. A feast! I proclaim a feast 2 nights hence. Let's go make some omelets! Oh, I feel a little nervous inside, but that's normal, right? Yeah, I think so. Anybody else got butterflies in the stomach?
Yeah.
Probably because you ate too many caterpillars.
Stop!
Drop your nuts and move your butts!
It's coming!
Oh no.
Wasn't expecting this.
Oh, hold on a second.
The God's King. Well, you
Gotta have
the
an entrance in the
Chinese New
castle.
Year.
What the heck's a castle? And that's where we're going.
Hey guys, remember the class.
Yep. Nope. What class?
But forget all of
Class is on the rules.
Okay, because I never learned anything anyway.
Oh, me neither. I actually just came to socialize.
I came for the snacks. You don't have to have any now, do you?
Oh, trouble.
How are we gonna get over those walls?
I'll tell you how. We're gonna fly. Remember, the goal is the castle.
Get to the castle. Who wants to go first?
Over here! Hey, me! Hey, all right, Matilda.
Alright then.
Surprise face.
Step right up.
Right, of course. No matter.
And one, and whoa!
Yes,